Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Summit Academy, home of the Dragons, here in Flat Rock, Michigan. Spoke to the K through eighth graders today. Got to share my heart with all of them. The main focus was the power of kindness, and as that relates to seeing people for their heart before anything else first, like the shirt says, one race human. We see everybody as human beings before anything else, but that we know this true kindness really does start in the heart. And it takes an incredible amount of love to not only heal from past pain, like the healed people who heal people, but to step into our full potential, to know that just one word, one action, 2 seconds can potentially change a life forever, change a heart, that when we start to include people, we start to lift them up higher than ourselves. One finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself. We have this power to create a lasting change that hopefully now they take with them and give that gift to someone else by how we treat them, right? With compassion, with empathy, with respect. I stayed for all the lunches, and a lot of students came up to me. They had the M's on all their palms, M for miracle, right? W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. The lines on all of our palms that show that, right, etched on there. But they just said, yeah, I've been bullied in the past, but now they're not, and now they know that how they felt is how some other people currently feel, and they need to be the light to their hearts, to be their hope, to be the person that can help them heal, hopefully, and be that best friend of them that sees them for what's on the inside, which truly matters. Behind me, we got a little mosaic. All the students, you can kind of take a closer look here, but they all drew their own photos and got it into a giant collage here of the hands holding up the world, and this is where healing begins, through the power of kindness, right? Today's main focus, and what we have to try to embody and make a habit every day. You got the rainbow too, that yes, pain will come and storms will happen, but they have to in order for rainbows to appear. And these rainbows, they come in the form of love, they come in the form of little acts of kindness that eventually start to change this planet for the better. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. You guys are beautiful. Until then, much love. Peace.